Yeah? Nice. He's got his own Instagram account.
Just started it a few days ago.
Ah,
No
nice.
subscribers yet.
I can send this to you if you want.
Oh, sure.
Do you have an iPhone?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Trying not to get you in the picture. Just trying to get them. But there's something relaxing about watching dogs play.
It is. Very much so.
This is Milo. Who's a good boy, Milo? Good doggies. Good doggies. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? So jealous, Juno.
It's funny, just like people, they have their own preferences.
Yeah. I tell you, it's a skill with the leash.
Yes, it is.
Juno's Adventures. Woo! Score Milo. I'll stop this.